Tunnel safety hangs on every breath of air. A safe and reliable ventilation system is key to safety. I am Voss from Dulitai New Material. Today, let's talk about PVC ventilation fabric, backed by decades of OEM production experience. Our industrial-grade PVC air duct material has been widely used in HVAC systems, mining, tunneling all over the world. Trusted by welding factories and ventilation solution providers, our PVC air duct fabric combines anti-static performance surface resistance up to 1 times 10 to the 6th ohm and certified B1, M1, UL 94 flame retardancy. Reinforced with a tensile strength up to 5,000 newtons, weight from 350 to 1,300 GSM, withstands extreme mechanical stress while maintaining flexibility. Rigorous quality control system ensure consistency in weight, thickness, and welding performance, validated through high-frequency and heat welding compatibility tests for long-lasting joints. RoHS-certified production processes guarantee compliance with hazardous substance restrictions like lead, cadmium, phthalates. Our factory is equipped with ultra-wide calendaring, lamination, and coating machines, enabling us to offer materials in widths of up to 5 meters. This versatility caters to various industrial requirements, making it the ideal choice for ventilation systems where reliability and compliance with essential regulations. Contact us today for a sample book and our latest offers. Thank you, and we look forward to the opportunity to become your supplier.